All right, guys, welcome. It's Tuesday. You are all doing great on the poems that I have checked over and finding those sensory words or phrases that helps us visualize or create a mental image for the poem. Okay, you guys did safety pin. Excellent, excellent, excellent work. All right, today on Tuesday, your assignment is to read the Marbles poem or listen to it. I'm going to read it shortly. And then what I would like you to do is draw a picture that matches that mental image or the visualization that you see in your brain while you read the poem or listen to it. Okay, I'm going to read it in a second. If it helps you, close your eyes while Miss Radley reads it, and then look at the picture in your brain and then sketch it and draw it down. Okay, so here we go. Marbles by Valerie Worth. Marbles picked up heavy by the handful and held weighed, hard, glossy, glassy, cold, then poured clicking, water smooth back to their bag, seam treasure, round jewels, slithering gold. Okay, go ahead, draw your sketch. I can't wait to see them.